Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a 2019 Santa Fe with a Starline Pro, secured by us at Immobiliser Fit. So if someone tried to steal the vehicle, done a relay attack on the keys, tried to get in and start it, the car's just not going to start up. So what the customer's going to have to do is either turn their Bluetooth on their adjustable Bluetooth range phone, turn it on, disarm and start up straight away, no need for a code. If they don't want to use the code, they want to use their code, they'll turn the Bluetooth off or their phone will be out of range. So now what they'll do, after 10 seconds of the system obviously setting from the last ignition off, they'll double tap, get the ignition on, then go through a code of their choosing. For now we've left it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Hear the disarm tone, now foot on the brake and start, you'll see the car fire up. If they want to take this for a service, what they can do with their phone, turn the Bluetooth on, go into the Starline key app, they'll have a key of a green circle. Now press and hold till this green turns to yellow. When it does, we'll let go and we'll get 2 bleeps. That's now in service mode, so if it ever goes back for a service or it goes to a valet, parking, go to the airport, leave it with them and they need to move it, the system will be off completely, so just give them the key. It will start up with no code, as if you've got no Immobiliser fitted. When you get it back, press and hold till it goes back to green. Let go, 2 bleeps and the system's back on. So we'll just turn the Bluetooth off to double check. Turn the car off. Give it 10 seconds till it arms. And now we'll just try to start the vehicle up. As you can see, it's not starting, we're unable to start the car. So to get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Starline Pro on a 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. Uses the push sequence, can be paired to the phone through Bluetooth. Protects the vehicle against key cloning, relay attack, if they try and steal it. Once again, our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.